Hi, and welcome to Storrito. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the bulk scheduling tool to plan and publish multiple Instagram stories at once. Storrito is a web app that allows you to prepare and schedule Instagram stories in advance, including stories with interactive elements like the link sticker. Bulk scheduling makes this process even faster. Instead of scheduling stories one by one, you can prepare your content first and then schedule everything in one go. Before using bulk scheduling, your stories need to be finished and saved in the Storrito gallery. I already have 3 stories prepared with link stickers. I'll open this 4th story and add a link sticker as well. Once I'm happy with the design, I'll click Save. This sends the story back to the gallery. Now everything is ready to be scheduled. First, I open the bulk scheduling tool. Next, I select the Instagram account and choose Add from Gallery. Here I can see all the stories I've prepared. I choose a start date and time. Then add the stories in the order I want them to appear. When I click Add Selected, Storrito schedules them automatically 1 minute apart. If needed, I can adjust the timing directly in the table. For example, I might want these stories to go live on different days, or at slightly different times to match my content plan. Once everything looks right, I click Save. My stories are now scheduled. Bulk scheduling is a simple way to plan ahead and stay consistent, especially when managing multiple stories at once.